Hi, welcome to another new video, and in this video we are going to walk through a new topic, an interesting topic, and the topic is how you can use an alt account in your same computer, and you can easily use both Discord account in your same PC or same computer. So simply you can see we already in our Discord server. First of all, if you have not any account yet, you need to be create your account. This is a simple process. It will be take around 5 minutes. So you whenever you will complete your tasks, you have this kind of an interface. So here you can see this is our different kind of email here already pasted, and if you want to add another vault account in your desktop, so right now you need to be search on Discord. Once you search about discord.com, they will give you option for download for Windows application. Just download over here. Once you complete download, you will have another option or another way to open your Discord account. So I already completed our application download, so I have this app, and here you can see that I already logging a different account in our application. If you see the mail account, you can easily identify that our both Discord account has been running in the same PC. So as you can see, our this email will be different than this previous one. This email will be projecttnh.com, and this is a different account. And if you see the application one, the name username is visipmall, and it has a number, and also the mail is totally different. So this is the simplest way how you can use a Discord account in your same PC. You can use alternative Discord. You have 2 or 3 Discord account, it does not matter. You can easily use your both Discord account in your same computer, and it is really hassle free. And I hope this video will help you, and it will help you to know more about Discord, how you can use both account. I hope you love this video, and if you found out this video is really helpful for you, don't forget to like our channel and don't forget to subscribe our channel. And if you have any question, just comment below.